Yes, I am the Frugal Hugel gardener. I'm over here in front of a really nice banana rack. Nice and long. The bananas are nice, long, and plump. And as you can see, I have some bananas ripening. Now, the weather's been chilly and very windy, so you gotta excuse the wind sound on doing the video. But I'm gonna go ahead and harvest this. Now, you normally see me cut the plant, bring it to the ground, and cut the stalk and remove the rack. Today, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the hands. This is a nice rack, plenty of room in between each hand. They're not condensed and compact. So, let's get on with it. Okay, so I already removed the leaves so you could watch. And I have a bin down on the bottom to set them on. So I'm going to go ahead and start removing from the top. I'm going to use a little serrated, sharp stainless steel blade. Okay, there's a yellow banana. I got the hand. Now I'll go ahead and get this one. Now on banana hands, there's a line that goes around. So I'm trying to follow it all the way around. Trying not to get too much sap on me. Here's the hand. You can see the sap coming out. And the sap's coming out of this right here. Look at it. Real sticky. Okay, that broke in two. So the sap, you don't want to get it on your clothes. If you ever notice, I walk around with stains on my clothes because I get sap on me all the time. Try not to get sap on you. You can see it dripping. Sap on me. What could you do? Okay, getting down towards the bottom, some of them are a little smaller. Okay, two more bananas. So this is really sticky right now. I have the rack here, and it's dripping. Okay, so let me go set these down. Okay, I'm all sticky, but what can you do? Okay, so I'm going to remove the support. I'll use the support, as you can see with the rope, on another plant. Now I want to go ahead and cut this off. And I want to go ahead and cut the plant down. Okay, so y'all know I like removing the plants with the saw. Okay, so before you saw, always make sure you got the right plant going down to the base by peeling. Okay, I'm gonna have to remove some leaves. Okay, I got that on the ground. I'm going to remove the rest of the leaves and go feed my chickens. And I have another rack that's ripening. So let's go remove the second one right after I feed the chickens. Okay, as I was walking in, a frog jumped off and the chickens went nuts. They love frogs. Okay, this is one of my heritage roosters. Look how big this guy is. He's about 10 pounds and beautiful. Check him out. Soft, softer than my hair, I'll tell you that. Beautiful bird. If you're interested in a rooster, I hatched them. I have about 5 of these for sale. They're heritage. They'll be great for show. So let me know. Okay, so I'm standing in front of another rack. This one's hanging down low. My camera is on an incline, so the camera's even low. And it's windy and I don't want it to blow over, so this is the best angle I got. So let's go ahead and harvest this banana rack. Okay, so I want to do the same thing. I want to go ahead and take off all the hands. You can see some of them are nice and yellow. Okay, so I removed all the hands off the rack. Now I want to go ahead and chop down the plant. First I'm going to remove the stalk. Now I'm going to remove some leaves from my chickens. Okay, now I'm going to remove the supports. I can now use that for another plant. Now I want to chop this plant down. So I like using this. Okay, so the wind knocked down the camera, but there's all the hands, and I got the leaves. The leaves going to the chickens, and I'm going to carry the hands back to the house. So let's get on with it. Okay, so I brought the hands over to the house, fed my chickens. So now I just want to say that each time that I harvest a banana rack, sometimes I take down the whole plant, sometimes I let it hang, sometimes I cut off the stalk, sometimes I remove the hands. It depends on the conditions. I would have left them on for another day or two, but the cooler weather set in, high winds, and we have some rain coming. So I took the first opportunity, which is this morning, to do it. It's overcast. The rain's going to set in. I think it's going to be rainy all day tomorrow. And I didn't want them to overripe, get soft, and the wind or the rain pull off a couple of the fingers. So hey, I hope you enjoyed my video of harvesting 2 banana racks by cutting off the hands without removing the stalk or the plant. It works fine. Hands get really sticky, so I try not to touch anything. You definitely get sap on you because it's dripping when you're cutting. When you set them on the floor, you can work around the drip and you don't get it on you. So there's plus and minuses to everything. There's the pros and cons, the good and bads with growing and everything. I try to show you everything that I'm doing here and the good and the bad. I don't hide anything. If something's bad, a banana plant fell over or something's damaged, I'm going to show it to you. Hey, it's what I do, and I try to show you the good and the bad in my videos. So with that said, hey, I'm Sam the Frugal Hugel Gardener. If you enjoyed my video, make sure you give me a like. That helps out my channel. Give me a share. That helps out my channel. Subscribe to my channel so you can see everything that I do for months and years to come, because I got a lot going on. Come on over to my Facebook page, and definitely come on over to my Facebook banana group. The link is in the description below. You'll enjoy it. Hope to see you there. Okay, hey everyone, this is Sam the Frugal Hugel Gardener. I just got done harvesting 2 banana racks, put everything away, and then noticed that I have a praying hand rack that's ripening on me. So I don't want that praying hand to get too ripe. This is my first one of the season. It's a small rack, but I need to harvest it. Okay, so the rack's up high. So right over here, I'm going to follow the plant down, and I'm going to bring the rack closer to the ground so I could remove it. Okay, so if you noticed, I brought the rack to the ground without smashing it and without cutting the plant down or removing the rack, without climbing up on the ladder. I try to do it the easy way and the safe way, and that's to bring the banana rack down to the ground and then harvest it. It's a no-brainer. So now I could just cut off the stalk, but I want to remove some of these leaves. Those leaves go to my chickens. Now I'm going to remove the stalk. Okay, so right over here is a nice praying hands rack. You can see it's ripening nicely. This is what praying hands look like. It's like hands praying. Okay, so this is just a little short video on how I do it. So, this is Sam the Frugal Hugel Gardener. If you like my little short video on harvesting a praying hands rack at the last minute, make sure you give me a like, give me a share, subscribe to my channel so you can see everything that I'm doing around here for weeks and months to come. Come on over to my Facebook page, come on over to my Facebook banana group. The link is in the description below. Hope to see you there. Okay, so I went ahead and walked even further and noticed that I have another praying hand. So here's some bonus footage. Okay, so I'm going to bring it down. So as it was coming down, I put my hand under it and gently laid it down. Now I'm going to remove the rack. Remove the bud. Here's a nice little praying hand. This one's like ready to eat right now. All these little ones add up, so it's okay with me. Okay, so now I want to cut this all the way down. Okay, so my chickens have enough leaves for today. I gave them 2 plants. So these are going to be chop and drop. Okay, so once again, I hope you enjoyed my bonus footage. Click on the link below. Come on over to my banana group. Hope to see you there.